be healthy, live longer. Hi guys, I'm Ranajoy from Purulia, West Bengal. Today I will talk about the clinical thermometer. But before I talk about the clinical thermometer, I will draw the clinical thermometer. Okay? Now let's start. Now let's start. So this clinical thermometer is a machine that is used for sick and fever people. And did you know it is invented by G.D. Fahrenheit? And our normal body temperature is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And this clinical thermometer is white. Just like this just like I drawed, right? Yeah. But it also has some other colors like black and also gray. And let's see the writings. Dr. Morepen is the company of this clinical thermometer, and it also has in the back with a gray box. And let's try that. Oops, sorry, it was just a mistake. Now let's see how it works. What is this button? It turns on the clinical thermometer, and you can see these numbers, and you can see LO, the represent, I don't know. And this is how you turn it off. Just press it again and it's gone. And yeah, it's white in color, and the button is also in white in color. And this is like a mobile to you, and the top. And how do you just put it back like this? Nope, it will not fit. It will fit like this. And what about the top portion? It will be covered by the lid. And also, what is the use of it? Well, it can be put it in our mouth or on your armpits. So you can get the number from this device. So is that all? That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, comment below. If you don't like this video, it's not comment. Bye.